Hi y'all, welcome to Heritage Ways. I'm Little Miss Homemaker. Let's make my great-grandma Morgan's scalloped corn. You'll need 1 can whole kernel corn, undrained, 1 can cream-style corn, ½ cup melted butter, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 1 cup sour cream, and 1 box of corn muffin mix. Mix all the ingredients together. This recipe can be found in my mama's new cookbook on page 91. There's a link down below to buy mama's cookbook. This can also be called corn souffle or corn casserole. I never knew my great-grandma Morgan, but mama tells me that grandma used to take this to all sorts of church dinners and other people's homes. I appreciate that my mama tells me about our family heritage. My great-grandpa Morgan made it also. This was the last dish that my great-grandpa made for Christmas dinner the afternoon before he passed away on my oldest brother's 9th birthday. So this dish holds a lot of memories for my mama. Pour this into a greased casserole dish and bake at 350 for 40 minutes. This will puff up and be crusty on top. I hope you love it as much as we do. See you next time. Bye.